Welcome to Byte, Business Intelligence for Trade Enforcement. In this video, we will delve deeper into the Byte Search module. Once you're logged into the app, navigate to the Byte Search module. You can either search for an entity by identifiers such as name or address, or you can search for a commodity using a commodity description or HS code. This search crawls across all of the datasets within the app and returns the results below, making this a one-stop search. There's also entity resolution, which can be turned on or off for strict or loose name matching. If you leave the entity matching turned off, the search will return only exact matches. To search, enter an entity name into the search bar and click Get Score. The counter will change to reflect the hits across the whole app. Below the search form, you can explore the Byte Search hits. The table shows the entity name or commodity name associated with the hit, the Byte module the hit is coming from, the list within that module, and the field input name match. You can open up the full record to learn more about the returned result to determine if it is applicable to you and your due diligence efforts, and the results can be exported to Excel. If you would like to keep the results of your search for future review, click on Save the Results as a Ticket and click Get Score. A copy of your search results will then be saved as a ticket in the Analytics Vault. This allows you to keep a dedicated audit trail of your Byte search results. And there you have it, an easy-to-use search tool that crawls across hundreds of datasets in one place to provide you with insights into the entities or commodities associated with your transactions. If you ever run into issues or have questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us at byte@newborders.com. Our support team is here to help.